To add Favicon to a website in Webflow, start by searching for Webflow in a web browser and clicking on the webflow.com option. This will direct you to the login page, where you can enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, you'll see various options such as all sites, tutorials, team plans, and billing. Locate your website under the All Sites section and click on the three dots next to it. Then select Settings. In the Settings menu, you may see an Icons option. If so, click on it. Otherwise, navigate to the General section. From there, you can upload your Favicon, which can be in formats like ICO, PNG, GIF, or JPG, to display in browser tabs. Simply click on the Upload option, and you'll be taken to your File Explorer to select the desired file.